Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Jill in the TaxQuips Forum with this question. She tells us in 2010 I received a check from the Oregon Department of State Lands for money on an unclaimed bond that my grandmother bought for me years ago. The Oregon State Treasury had me fill out and send a W-9 form in order to get the check. Does that mean that they already took out the taxes, or do I need to include this as taxable income in 2011? It was a higher education 1990B bond. Well, Jill, isn't it neat that all that unclaimed information can be found online? Sorry, I wish I could give you a better answer about your bond, but you were the one discussing this with them. What did they say about tax withholding? And you were the one that got the bond cashed and the statement that came with it. If there was withholding, they should have provided you with that information. I haven't got a clue without seeing the paperwork, but obviously it wouldn't be 2011. You'd declare it in 2010. One good thing I can tell you, though, is that state bond interest is not taxable for IRS purposes, and if you live in Oregon, there's no state tax either. However, if you live in another state, you're apt to have to pay state taxes on that interest in your state. If you've got specific questions and don't understand the paperwork, give them a call. It sounds as though they were delightful to you earlier. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about bonds and other tax issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.